Good morning students, welcome to Blue Star Higher Secondary School online class 8 subject physical science chapter 5 coal and petroleum. Students, already I finished this lesson coal and petroleum. Today we will discuss about this lesson worksheet. Already I told how to write worksheet. So all of you take A4 sheet, write your date, class, name, subject and lesson name. So first write the questions and think it answer and then you write. So I have discussed about 15 questions. First questions, the fuel considered as a clean fuel. Which one is the clean fuel? So biogas, CNG, LPG and fourth one is the all of the above. This is option for you. So which one is the clean fuel? Which one is the clean fuel? So think it and then you write. Second question, the gases that contribute to greenhouse effect. Which gases contribute to the greenhouse effect? So already you know what are the gases: methane, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, methane and carbon dioxide. Which gas is the contribute to greenhouse effect? The gas that contribute to greenhouse effect, which one is? Think it. Methane. Methane is gas or not? Yes, think it. And carbon dioxide, nitrogen, methane and carbon dioxide. Which one is the greenhouse effect contribute to the gases? Third question, which of the following is not a fossil fuel? Which of the following is not a fossil fuel? Which one is not a fossil fuel? Coal is a fossil fuel or not? Kerosene, hydrogen and LPG. Which one is not a fossil fuel? Next, fourth question, coal mainly contains. Coal what are the substances are present in this coal? First one is the carbon, nitrogen and sulfur, carbon and hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen and hydrogen. Which one is mainly present in coal? Carbon, nitrogen and sulfur, carbon and hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen and hydrogen. Which one is mainly present in coal? Fifth one, which of the following is regarded as the best variety of coal? So which one is there are variety of coal. So which one is best variety in coal? So bitumen, lignite, anthracite and peat. Bitumen, lignite, anthracite and peat. So which one is the best variety of coal? Next, sixth one, give 3 examples of each of the following. Give 3 examples of each of the following. So ஒவ்வொன்றுத்துக்கும் நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணுறீங்க அப்படின்னா எக்ஸாம்பிள் ரைட் பண்ணணும். 3 examples ரைட் பண்ணணும். Solid fuels. What is that? Solid fuels. Which one is solid fuels? Write 1, 2, 3. Write the answer. Next one is the liquid fuels. Next one is the liquid fuels. Which one is the liquid fuels? 1, 2, 3. So write the answer. Next one is the gaseous fuel. So solid, liquid and gaseous fuels, write the answer. Okay. Next, seventh one, fill in the blanks. Fossil fuels are dash, dash and dash. Fossil fuels நம்ம என்னென்ன சொல்வோம்? Dash, dash and dash. Eighth one, process of separation of different constituent from petroleum is called. So how to separate the petroleum? Already I told this lessons and sent videos. So what are the process of separation of different constituent from petroleum? So petroleum வந்து different constituentsல எப்படி separate பண்ணி எடுப்பாங்க? That is my questions. So என்ன process அதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க அந்த process name வந்து write பண்ணணும். Okay, this is the 8th one. Next one is the 9th question. Least polluting fuel vehicle is. Least polluting fuels for vehicle is. Vehicles யூஸ் பண்ணும்போது pollutants இல்லாமல் யூஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? என்ன fuel? What type of fuels are used? Least polluting fuel for vehicle is. Okay. Then next, true or false? Next one is the true or false. Fossil fuels can be made in the laboratory. Fossil fuels can be made in the laboratory. Laboratory fossil fuels make பண்ண முடியுமா? Prepare பண்ண முடியுமா? That is my questions. Fossil fuels can be made in the laboratory. is true or false. Right? True na true எழுதணும், false na false எழுதணும். Next question. Coke is almost pure form of carbon. Coke already நான் சொல்லியிருக்கேனா carbon presence or absence? Anyone think of you? Carbon is what is meant by Coke first what is meant by Coke? You think it, and then what are the compound present in Coke? Think it and then you write answer. Okay, so Coke is almost pure form of carbon. Is true or false? Right? True na true, false na false. Next, kerosene is not a fossil fuel. Already I told which one is the fossil fuel. Example of fossil fuel. What are the compounds present in fossil fuels? So kerosene is not a fossil fuel. Is true or false? Is true or false? Write the answer. Next, answer the following questions. Why petroleum is called fossil fuels? ஏன் பெட்ரோலியத்தை வந்து நம்ம fossil fuels அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம்? What are the reasons? What are the compounds involved in petroleum? What are the compounds? What are the substances present in petroleum? Think it and then you write the answer. Next question. Why is petroleum referred to as black gold? ஏன் பெட்ரோலியத்தை black gold அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம்? Already I told this lessons. Why is petroleum referred to as black gold? So think it and write the answer. Next one, explain why fossil fuels are exhaustible natural resources. What is mean by first inexhaustible resources and exhaustible resources? So which one is natural and which one is man-made things? So explain why fossil fuels are exhaustible natural resources. Okay, think it and then write the answer. So students, all of you do this worksheet. I have attached one PDF for this worksheet. So you have any doubt, watch this PDF and write carefully, think it and then you write. Okay. Thank you students.